guys, welcome back. Puzzle Plays here, and in today's video, this one's gonna be a fairly short one because I'm gonna be doing dependency. So it's where once you buy this one, then another button will appear. And so first thing you want to do is we have to do some stuff with the new item, I guess. And then so first thing I want to mention is I did edit this Billboard GUI bit. So if you go Billboard GUI, I did make it if you go to studs offset, I did one, so it's like off the actual button, and then I made it dropper free instead of just free, because then you would actually know what the item you're buying is. So yeah, if we go ahead and make the next upgrade, so let's go ahead, take apart like this and customize it like this, and then duplicate this, drag it over, and then name this frame like that, and name this frame like that. So now we have two frames, and then if we just duplicate one of them, we can go like this and go like this and name this main part like that, and then maybe change the color to like a nice blue, and then transparency like 0.4 like this, and then can collide turn off, and then maybe we want these frames to be a bit bigger. This, and then like that. That should be good. So now we have an upgrader, and now if we select all of them and Control G or Command G to group, and then call this the upgrader, and then drag it into bot items, and then we can insert a script into the upgrader. So click plus and add a script just like this, delete, print hello world, and then go ahead and do local debounce equal, and then this table, and then script dot parent dot main main part, and then dot touched colon connect function, and then inside of these do hit, and then go down and type in if hit dot name equal, and then part, go outside the speech marks and do and hit colon find first child, and then do in parentheses and speech marks do cache value, and then outside the speech marks do then, and then go down if not debounce, and then inside these square brackets do hit, and then do then go down and then do hit colon find first child, oh my gosh, I can't. Okay, then do in parentheses and speech marks cache value, and then outside do dot value, and then plus equals, and then the amount you want to add on. So you could do 9, 90, 900, 9,000. You could do anything, but I'm just going to be doing 9, and then go down and do debounce, and then square brackets, and then hit, and then outside equals true. So that should be a script done. So if we go ahead and test it out, as you can see, oh wait, hold up, we forgot to make a button. So if we go ahead and take this first dropper button and duplicate it by Command D or Control D and rename it to upgrader button, then we can just drag it over here, just like so. Like that. And then we can go ahead and go to the Billboard GUI and change the text. So I'm just going to be doing upgrader, and then this thing, and then the amount will be $10. So just like this. And then there's one thing we need to add to upgrade button. So go to plus and add a string value, just like this, and then name this dependency, just like that. And then the value is the thing you want to, so if I buy the dropper, then it'll appear, and then this button will appear. So the dependency value would be first dropper, just like that. And then that should be good. So if we go ahead and test it out and claim the Tycoon, and I get the dropper. I'm not really sure what's going on. Frame's not a valid member. Oh, oops. Okay. So I think that's a main script. Yeah. Okay. So that should be good now. Claim and get this. Wait. Hold up. Let's see here. Oh, that's probably why I did not do this stuff. So, upgrader. Okay, I just forgot to change these values, and let's go back to this part because it should be frame, I believe. Yeah, yeah, I think it should be that. So. Okay. And then this is actually not enabled. I meant to do visible. So that is my bad. So you can go ahead and change that too. And that should be working just fine now. So if we go in, claim, as you can see, nothing there. And then if we claim this dropper, then the button appears. So if we go ahead, get 10 cash real quickly. Then we will be able to buy the upgrader, and then everything should be making $10 a second instead of 1. So if we just get one more, okay. So now we can get this, get the upgrader, and I forgot to anchor it again. Okay, that is all my fault, guys. I just keep on forgetting to anchor this stuff. Okay. Let's try that again. Should be working perfectly fine now. So as you can see, I claim this. Bang. And if we just wait. So if we just get one more dollar or cash and bang, now we should have the upgrader. And now, as you can see, it's doing 10 instead of 1. It's going up by 10. So 51 to 61, 61 to 71. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I know it's pretty short, but yeah. Catch you next time. But in the meantime, Pojo is out.